Welcome to the world of biogel. The revolutionary organic water-soluble granular powder that is changing how we grow crops. It is a unique product that transforms into a gel-like substance when mixed with water and other carriers, making it a versatile soil enhancer and water storage solution. Imagine a product that can retain water in the soil, reduce erosion by binding soil particles together, and feed the natural bacteria in the soil. Applied to the soil, biogel is best if banded in furrow, where it remains in the root zone of the germinating seed and growing plants, supplying water and nutrition to the growing crop. Biogel is the solution you've been looking for. Biogel is a flexible product that can be applied as a starter or side dress, or by fertigation applications, or even as a seed treatment. Depending on the need or desired effect, spraying in crop areas as a banded application over the row or in furrow. It could also be broadcast over the entire crop area and through a pivot. The product is suited for organic or conventional growers wanting to save water and boost yield and quality of their crop. Hi, I'm John, a farmer who struggled with soil erosion and drought last year because there were limited options and products to solve my problems until I discovered biogel. I learned from my Midwestern bioag consultant that there is a new product available called biogel that is both a water storage enhancer and soil stabilizer for my arable ground, as well as a food for natural bacteria in the soil. Intrigued, I decided to give biogel a try. I purchased biogel from my Midwestern bioag location and reviewed the mixing protocols. The label stated that biogel needs to be agitated to work properly, so I started by filling my tank about 1/3 full with water. Then I opened the inductor below the mixing cone to agitate the water. I began pouring the biogel into the cone to go through the inductor system and into the spray tank under agitation. By agitating the water and gradually adding biogel, I will avoid clumping. As the water-soluble powder was solubilized, the slurry began to gel. I adjusted it with additional water to achieve the desired viscosity for my field application rate. I ran a jar test to check if the additional carriers I was going to add to the tank were compatible with the biogel. I followed the recommended mixing order, solubilized biogel first in the tank. Then load biogel water mixture with the following: additional fertilizers, biostimulants, and biologicals after the jar test. The results at the end of the season were positive. The plants that received biogel yielded to their potential, even with less water, and the plants that received sufficient water had higher yields than the same plants in the check without biogel. I was extremely pleased with the biogel results. With biogel, I found the perfect solution to my problems. Now, I enjoy a thriving farm with a bountiful harvest. Biogel is organic and fits organic food grade programs, where higher protein percentages can be critical. Amongst the various application methods available, you can work with your MBA consultants to find the one that works best for you. So, place your order today through your consultant, your MBA local plant, or visit our website at www.midwesternbioag.com. In independent trials conducted by Agritech Consulting, when trialing soybeans, corn, and potatoes, the plants were healthier and yielded more. Soybeans treated with biogel had greater yield, more vigor, increased stand, and higher protein. Corn treated with biogel had greater yields than the check, at 3 different rates: a 1/2 pound per acre, 1 pound per acre, and 1.5 pounds per acre, with the 1 pound rate most responsive. Potatoes treated with biogel at planting increased number 1 yields by more than 14%, or 31 times ROI. And potatoes treated with biogel plus Terra New at hilling increased yield 15% greater than grower standard. Do's: agitation is required for the dry flowable product solubilization. It is recommended to use a mixing cone and inductor system when mixing large volumes. Once the water is agitated, gradually add biogel to avoid clumping. As the water-soluble powder solubilizes, the slurry will begin to gel. Adjust with additional water to achieve desired viscosity for application. Do's: run a jar test to check if carriers are compatible. Do's: for compatibility in tank, This product can be mixed with other fertilizers, biostimulants, and biologicals if it is mixed in the following order. Solubilize biogel first. Load biogel with additional fertilizers, biostimulants, or biologicals. Don't. Dump biogel in calm, unagitated water or carrier. It will clump. Don't mix biogel in after fertilizers or other products have been added. It may clump.